Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing the Windows Subsystem for Linux feature on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, type in Turn Windows. Best result should come back with Turn Windows features on or off. Go ahead and select that. And then scrolling near the bottom, there should be something that says Windows Subsystem for Linux. Go ahead and check mark inside of there and select OK. And then your computer will need to restart in order to complete the changes. Select Restart Now. So there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.